Hey YouTube! Audio Technica is a brand known for its clean studio-like sound and it's pricey. But today we bring you the cheapest Audio Technica earbuds you can lay your hands on. This is called the ATH CK330iS. The MRP mentioned on the box here is $16.99, but we got it from Amazon for $1,500. This is a basic packaging that we have here. Let's quickly see what's inside. Though the buds look like metal, but this is actually premium plastic. The tips are regular rubber and you get 3 sizes to suit different ear types. Even though the wire is not perfectly flat, this does a really good job at staying tangle free. You will find the right and the left symbol here because, well, that matters. Coming to the sound, there's no added bass, which is essential for clarity. It has a really clean sound, which is amazing if you're a metalhead. So basically you are listening to something very close to what was recorded. The inbuilt mic is so good that we decided to use it for this video. The clarity over calls is also very good. Overall, this is one of the best pair of earbuds 1500 rupees can fetch you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.